Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove blemishes from your picture on the polish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and tap on the create button. Tap on a picture you want to edit, then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the beautify effect or option and click on blemish. Then zoom in and tap the areas that you want to remove the blemishes from. So zoom in for better application and tap on those areas that you want to cover. If you are done with it, you should tap on this check mark icon down below to save your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.